Hello everyone, now I will demonstrate on how to collect a hair strand. First step is use the PPE to avoid contamination. Next step is we need to get a bond paper to put the hair strand. Now I will get the hair strand and put to the center. After I put to the center, I will fold into two. Then fold. I will fold it properly to avoid contaminated. And that's all for demonstrative on collecting hair strand.